Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the chassis name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So first I am login to terminal as a root user. So type the command hostnamectl. So here you can see that some chassis name is displayed by default. Okay, so here I am seeing chassis name as a VM. Okay, so you can modify this chassis name according to your requirement. So this is the command. So hostnamectl space set hyphen chassis desktop. See here hostnamectl after executing hostnamectl you can see that chassis name is changed to desktop. So there are some predefined values for chassis names. Please refer the hostnamectl man pages for more predefined names for chassis name. So I'm putting back the old one. Okay, so this is the way you can set or modify the chassis name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system.